How to fix Bluetooth connected but no sound problem. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So the first method is restart your device and go to the settings on your device. Now check if your issue is solved or not. If it's still not solved, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Tap on system and update. Now go to software update and make sure to update to the latest version. Now simply go back. Now open up Bluetooth settings on a device. Now first of all turn off the Bluetooth. Again turn on the Bluetooth. Now connect to your device. Tap on the info icon. Now make sure to enable the toggle for media audio. Now if your issue is still not fixed, simply go back. Now tap on unpair. Again tap on refresh and connect the Bluetooth device again. Now simply tap on pair. I hope this should fix your issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.